Look at you, my little girl, back from saving the world.
Oh, look at you. You look great, Mom.
You didn't get any of my letters, did you?
You're like curvy.
You know, I tried to call, but it was impossible.
No, wait, seriously. 9 months ago, you had no ass. Did you get implants? Because I swear you were like smaller and shorter.
Honey, I have something to tell you, and it's going to be an all of a sudden kind of thing, and I really didn't want it to be an all of a sudden kind of thing, but you're here, and I have to tell you, so...
It's the shoes! You went shopping, those were so cute!
I'm thinking, quick, like a Band-Aid is the way to go.
Did you color your hair too?
I met a man. He's here. Now, upstairs. And he's responsible for the hair and the shoes and...
Okay. A man.
Mm-hmm.
Upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Who you love. Okay.
We're going to watch Pineapple Express.
What kind of middle-aged man watches Pineapple Express?
A very cool young one.
Young one? What do you mean? How young?
Well, not real young. Well, kind of young. Kind of your age.
My age? Oh my God, Mom! Oh, what's his name?
Hunter Smith.
Hunter Smith? Oh my God, Hunter Smith I went to Madison with? Hunter Smith I went to prom with? Mom! Oh my God! Oh, my eyes!
Great! So you've already met. Can completely skip that whole awkward getting to know you phase.
Oh!